Hi students, how are you? Welcomes to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, in previous videos we discussed standard forms, standard substitutions, 3 plus 9 formulae, important substitutions 9 forms. Now today we are going to discuss types of integrations. We have so many types of integrations with irrational functions, rational functions, trigonometric functions, like that. Type 1 we consider irrational function and also rational function. Integration 1 by f of x dx. Integration of the form any one of these three. Integration 1 by root f of x. Integration 1 by root f of x, where f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Quadratic expression. Dear students, here f of x is a quadratic expression, degree 2. So, to evaluate this integration, we use the hint, we convert this quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, convert ax square plus bx plus c into any one of the form a square plus x square or a square minus x square or x square minus a square, and use the formula 1 by root of a square minus x square integration or 1 by root of a square plus x square integration, or here we discussed 9 forms in 3 plus 9 formulae. So according to the conversion we use formulae. Okay now students, we will see one of the example. See this one, integration 1 by f of x, where f of x is x square minus 4x plus 7. Students, you have factors, resolve this into the partial fractions and then integrate. When you resolve this into the partial fractions, we will get integration 1 by x dx form or integration 1 by x plus a dx form. You can use log mod x plus a like that. In another form, another method, convert this into the a square plus x square or a square minus x square or a square x square minus a square. Here we have minus. So if you have minus, think about the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square to convert this into the perfect square, which is equal to a minus b whole square. Dear friends, x square minus 4x plus 7. In place of a square we have x square, 2ab, 2, a is x. How much you write in place of b to get 4x? How much you write in place of b to get 4x? Dear students, 2. 2 into 2 is 4x. It is the place of b. Formula is b square, that is 2 square minus 2 square, adding and subtracting, because this term is not here. 2 square is not here, plus 7. Now, for these three terms, you can write it as x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 3, x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 3, 7, minus 4 plus 3 plus 7 is 3. Now 1 by x square minus 4x plus 7 dx, which is equal to integration 1 by, this value is x minus 2 whole square plus 3. Consider, you want this integration value. We can write here 1 by 3 as root 3 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square dx. What is the form of this? It is of the form integration 1 by a square plus x square dx. That is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. By using that formula, we get 1 by root 3 tan inverse of x by a means x minus 2 by root 3 plus c. So this is the answer of this integration 1 by x square minus 4x plus c. This conversion is very, very important, students. For this problem we can write directly. Because here simple form is x square minus 4x. So we write it as x minus 2 whole square. X minus 4x, a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab, this plus b square is 4. Take 4 from 7, it becomes 3. B square is 4. Take 4 from 7. Remaining is 3. X minus 2 whole square plus 3. Nothing but this form. Here we have. So like this, we can convert this into the any one of the form, that is a square minus x square, or x square minus a square, or a square plus x square. Now let us see this one, this example. Dear students, to convert this into the difference or sum of two perfect square terms, x square must be a, x square coefficient must be 1. Here we have 2, so take 2 common, x square minus 2x plus 9 by 2 dx. We can write root 2 separately. Root 2 root of, see, x square minus 2x, we can write it as x minus 1 whole square. A square, x square, minus 2ab, this 2x, plus b square is there, 1 is there, we write it as minus 1 square. A b square plus b square. To cancel it, write down minus 1 square plus 9 by 2 dx. So 1 by root 2 integration 1 by root of x minus 1 whole square. Dear students, it is minus 1. Take LCM, minus 2 plus 9. It is 7 by 2 dx. So 1 by root 2 integration 1 by root over, right, 7 by 2 as root 7 by 2 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square dx. It is of the form 1 by root of a square plus x square. Integration 1 by formula is a square plus x square under root dx, which is equal to sin h inverse x by a plus c. By using that formula, its answer is 1 by root 2 sin h inverse x by a is x minus 1 root of 7 by 2 plus c. We can write it as root 7 by root 2, bring root 2 to numerator, we get final answer 1 by root 2 sin h inverse root 2 into x minus 1 by root 7 plus c. Like this, students, we can do it. Next question, in type 1, third form, integration root f of x dx. he consider example integration root of x square minus 3x plus 5 dx. Students, convert inside value any one of the form a square minus x square like that. That means it's perfect square. We can write like this, root of x square minus 2, a is x. How much value write to get this 3x? Simply 3 by 2, students. 2 to getting cancelled, 2 to getting cancelled, it becomes minus 3x. That means it is a square minus 2ab. b is 3 by 2, students. For formula, we write it as a square minus 2ab b square, that is 3 by 2 whole square, minus, here we adding 3 by 2 whole square, subtract it, 3 by 2 whole square plus 5 dx. Like this, add and subtract. Integration, first 3 terms value becomes x minus 3 by 2 whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, minus, it is 9 by 4 plus 5 dx. Take LCM 4, we get root of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 5 is 20. See, 20 minus 9 is 11, students. 11 by 4. That LCM value is 4. 4 into 5, 20 minus 9, that is 11 by 4 into dx. Now we write it is like this, root of root 11 by 2 whole square plus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. Simplest form. It is of the form integration root of a square plus x square dx. Its value is x by 2 root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c. Use this formula, students, for this. Tell me, I write down here. By using this value is x means here x minus 3 by 2. X minus 3 by 2 by 2. A square plus x square. X value is x minus 3 by 2. Root of a square plus x square means this value. This value nothing but this value. This value nothing but this. This. We can write directly like this. X square minus 3x plus 5. A square by 2. This is a square. Root 11 by 2 whole square by 2. Sin h inverse x by a, that is x minus 3 by 2 by a is root 11 by 2 plus c. Take 2 LCM, 2x minus 3 by 4, root over x square minus 3x plus 5. It is root 11 by 4 into 2 is there, 11 by 8. Sin h inverse. Take 2 LCM, 2 getting cancelled, 2x minus 3 by root 11 plus c. Like this, students, we can do problems. Okay na, students? నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ, స్టూడెంట్స్. బాయ్. జై హింద్.